Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today we are talking about how to make your own all-purpose cleaning spray and then my favorite ways to use it to clean your entire kitchen. All you're going to need is your Castle soap of choice. Put a little squirt into a reusable glass bottle. I do have this Castle soap and these glass bottles linked down below for you. You're going to fill that up with just some tap water. No specific temperature needed here. You're going to fill that glass bottle or that reusable bottle up. You can use an old Windex container. Whatever you have on hand is perfectly fine. Give that a little bit of a swirl. You can shake it, but it's going to foam, so just be aware of that. But it really doesn't matter. You cannot screw this up. It really is that easy. Once you have that all put together, you are ready to start cleaning. My first way that I love to use this is on my stainless steel appliances. It gets all of the little baby fingerprints off, any food particles that might stick to your surfaces here, especially on stainless steel, and it works really, really well. It gives it a really nice shine to it as well. And the Castle soap does help get all of that dried on stuff come off really well. Same thing with your cabinet faces and your door pulls, works really well for that. Gets rid of all the little fingerprints or, like I said, whatever happens to stick to it. My other favorite way to use this is actually on my glass stove cooktop. It's gentle enough where I don't have to worry about scratching the cooktop or anything like that, and it suds up really well because it is a soap. Helps pull off all of that grease and dried on food bits that happen with spills on the stove. And then of course you can use that on your countertops, you can use it on stone, all sorts of different countertops, and those are my favorite ways to clean my entire kitchen with this one cleaning product.